In today's lesson, toda kuita the sigma notation. We just want to briefly learn about the sigma notation as we continue with sequences and series. The sigma notation, iyo notation yacho, this is our first point. The sigma notation yacho ngakadai so. Amene kana makamboiona somewhere. This is the sigma notation. So this symbol is used to represent the sum of. Saka kana tichiti sigma notation, kana kuti sigma, we are referring to a summation. Kana chiti summation, tiri kungoti sum of. Therefore, this symbol is used to denote what is called the sum of. Like that. That is what a sigma notation is. So the sigma notation, yakaita se iyo, is a symbol used to represent the sum of. And this is our example. So kana tine example yakadai so. Then toisa a sigma notation like this. Tovataisa pasi panapa kuti r is equals to 1. Kumsoro kunoko. Tovatati r is equal to 4. Like this. Then panapa r squared. This means tiri kutangira pana 1. Saka pasi panapa ndiri. Apa pari kutiudza our starting point. Kutangira pana 1. Then kumsoro kunoku kunenge kuchitiudza our ending point. Tiri kupedzisira nepana 4. Saka we are going to be taking the square of r from 1 up to 4. Meaning, this means 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared. That is what it means. Saka patiri kuti the sum of r squared from r is equals to 1 up to r is equals to 4. That is what it denotes. Mapaona. Saka kana chida kuti the sum of r squared from r is equals to 1 to r is equal to 4. Sum of r squared from r is equals to 1 to r is equal to 4, like this. That is the summation. The sum of all terms of the form r squared from r is equals to 1 to r is equals to 4. Tinogona kunyora takati sum of all terms of the form r squared from r is equal to 1 to r is equal to 4, like that. If the sequence is never ending, and that is if it's stretching to infinity, it is expressed as the following. Saka panapa manje, we are now talking about this. Tinogona kuva this format yakadai so. The sum of r squared from r is equals to 1 up to infinity. Izvi zvinoreva kuti the sequence is never ending. And never ending in mathematical terms tiri kuti it stretches to infinity. So stretches to infinity. That is what we are talking about. Saka if a summation stretches to infinity, the sum of r squared from r is equals to 1 is stretching up to infinity. That is how it's denoted. And that now implies the sum of all terms of the form r squared from r is equals to 1 to positive infinity. Saka patiri kutora the sum of all terms in r squared from r is equals to 1 up to what? Infinity. We can actually write it down. Apa tiri kuti in similar terms, sum of r squared from r is equals to 1 to infinity. Tinogona kunyora takati sum of all terms of the form r squared from r is equals to 1 to, it's very important, positive infinity. We can as well put a positive sign here. It's permissible like that. Saka, this notation is mainly used to summarize a series. We are going to see the summation symbol, cannot the sigma notation in application in the questions we are going to do starting from tomorrow's lesson. So this was a quick lesson to just bring to terms the sigma notation. Muzive kuti norevei, how do you read it, uye kuti trungo eda zvinhu, and like we have r squared in our example, then tovatava nema bounds, a lower to an upper bound, be it 1 to 4 cannot 1 to positive infinity. We are adding things up. If you have any questions as pertaining to this lesson, please don't hesitate to use the comments section. If you want to join our school through tutorship and extra lessons, WhatsApp us on the numbers which are going to appear on your screen. Thank you and take care.